Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a unique journey to discover the enchanting city of York from a different perspective.
Right? जाती है बस बहुत ही अलग टाइप का बस है ये ठीक है चलो पता करते हैं
In this ghost bus, you can enjoy 75 spooky minutes of sightseeing in York. Your creepy conductor will show you the city's top sights and give you bone-chilling and humorous insights into some of the most gruesome events in York's past in just about £20 per person. We were hungry, so we skipped this bus and went on to check in our Airbnb. Walking through this charming lane is like stepping into a fantasy realm. The city walls offer a glimpse into York's past and present. You will be treated to stunning views of landmarks like Clifford Tower and River House. This is our Airbnb room, which is very cozy and perfect for an overnight stay. We got fresh air and headed for a good meal.
इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिल गया इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिल गया अतिथि पंकज आगे बोलो अतिथि
And found this restaurant which serves Indian food.
बस 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 बस
You would find most of the restaurants which have Indian name are run by Bangladeshis. We enjoyed our meal and went back to our room. It's a new day and now let's lace up our walking shoes because today we are exploring the city of York. Today you will be treated to stunning views. Take a stroll through the shambles and you will feel like you have stepped back in time. The shops here offer a mix of modern and traditional, making it a perfect spot for shopping and exploring. Welcome to the real-life Diagon Alley. While not the exact inspiration of J.K. Rowling, the shambles, crooked buildings and quirky shops certainly invoke that magical feeling. It's a must-visit spot for Harry Potter fans and history enthusiasts alike. Our recommendation is to get here early morning.
मेरे को नहीं खाना अभी। वाओ, ये अच्छा लग रहा है। वाओ, ओ वाओ, मिल जाता है हर जगह।
Navigating the waters of River Ouse to the city cruise in York offers a unique perspective of the city's rich history. As you glide along, you will pass under charming bridges and catch glimpses of iconic landmarks like the York Minster and Clyford's Tower. This leisurely cruise provides a serene escape while immersing you in the stories that have shaped York's captivating past.
Rescues of St. Peter topped by the crown of the Archbishop of York. She tells of the city of York with 5 gold lions and the water of St. George.
है शायद ये।
जो भी है बहुत ही
See you soon in our next video with new destination.